turning, well, resin turning, metal turning. I've got this idea that I want to have a go at doing the murderbowl. Nick Zametti and Carl Jacobson did this quite a while ago. I think, yeah, it was a good few years ago now. And they called it the murderbowl, and basically what it was is they had aluminium, like metal, bits of swarf, and they casted it in resin and they turned it. And it ended up looking quite cool, so it's been something I've wanted to do for quite a long time, and today I figured is the day that I give that a go. So basically I've just got bits of metal like this, and I'll put them all in a bowl, cast some resin in it, put it in the pressure pot, let it go off, and then get it on the lathe and see what happens. I've no idea if this is going to be a good outcome or if I'll even get to the end or I'll give up before. I've no idea because I'm guessing the tools aren't going to really like cutting metal. But I have got the Easy Wood Tool carbide cutters, so hopefully that will do the job. But yeah, please stick around and watch this video. If you do like it, please hit the thumbs up button. If you like me and what I do, go subscribe and click the notification bell, and then you'll be told every time I post a new video, and you can go ahead and watch that. I have plenty of other videos out on my channel already, so please feel free to go over and have a look at them. There's a bit of a mix of all sorts. I like doing wood turning and I like doing cabinet making. So there's a bit of all sorts on there. So yeah, please go check that out because it helps me massively and puts a massive smile on my face. And I hope you enjoy the video.
Eventually.
So that's the bowl done. I'm pretty happy with how it came out. I don't know if you can see just how cool it is on the camera. I'll definitely leave some stills after. But it is really funky. You can sit and look at it for like ages because each time you just see another like really cool bit of metal. Because each bit is like completely different like twirl in it. See like this like really long one, I love that. And I stuck my little logo in the bottom, just my little country wood girl. I decided to go for the silver one because then it obviously matches all the aluminium inside the bowl. Yeah, I'm really happy with how that turned out. The outside was definitely the easier to turn. That was done within 10 minutes, and I was thinking, oh yeah, great, this is easy, this. And then I got to the other side, and well, things slowed right down. Yeah, it did take some time to turn that inside, probably about an hour, a good hour, and to sand it. But it was worth it for how it's come out and looked like. You just had to take it quite slow because obviously it doesn't really like metal, but it was fine. And it's done. I definitely like the challenge of doing it. I do like giving myself a bit of a challenge. I guess like another easy point would have been to get a drill bit and drill out that centre a bit more, but I didn't want to wreck a drill bit because I'm a cabinet maker, so I like everything being really sharp and really nice. So I guess I could have found an old bit, but it would have taken time, and yeah, I just decided not to. But it doesn't matter because it came out really nice, and I decided to round that rim off just so there was no sharp edges there, and yeah. So if you like what you're seeing, please hit the thumbs up button, give a comment on how you think it turned out. I think it's pretty cool, and go subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and then you'll be told every time I upload a new video. I've also got a lot of videos out on my channel. I think I've got over 30 now, so please go check them out and give them a like too, because I'm just trying to grow my channel, trying to get out there, and it's actually really hard, so you lot really make a difference. So thanks, and I'll see you next time.